in this video I will teach you how to refresh quick add on the Snapchat. So if you want to refresh your quick add, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to tap a while on the Instagram app icon and go to the info from here. Once you will do it, from here you have to click on the storage and the cache, and simply you have to clear your cache from here. Go back and open your Snapchat mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, you can click on the plus icon, plus friend icon, and here you will see your quick add. So simply you can remove the unwanted friend from here, and you can refresh it like this. As you can see, on each refresh friends are changing, so you can select any friend if you want to add anyone. So just drag it down and you can see new friend suggestions are appear here. So this is the simple way to refresh the quick add on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.